Meg, thank you. There are now nearly 18,000 confirmed cases of coronavirus in Maryland, and almost 800 people have died. There were 74 more deaths reported Saturday, making it the deadliest day so far in the coronavirus crisis in the state. However, the governor says we need to pay attention to the hospitalization count and the numbers in the intensive care unit, both of which are down slightly from the prior day. Stetson Miller has more on the pandemic.
Maryland has now seen the largest ever increase of coronavirus deaths in one day, but some of the numbers are plateauing, which could be the beginning of the road to recovery. A grim milestone for Maryland in the coronavirus pandemic. The deadliest day so far, with 74 deaths reported in the last 24 hours. Now nearly 800 people have died from the virus in the state, and the total number of positive cases is approaching 18,000. This comes just a day after Governor Larry Hogan laid out his recovery plan. But those aren't the only numbers he's following. He says he's really watching the number of hospitalizations and ICU patients, which are slightly down from Friday.
Consistent plateauing of those metrics, that can put us in a position to consider lifting the stay-at-home order and beginning our gradual, safe, and effective recovery.
Those numbers are critical to reopening Maryland, and so is testing, which has increased with several new testing sites opening last week. Another piece of the recovery is what's called contact tracing.
One of these old-fashioned methods that public health have been using for decades to investigate disease and help persons who have infectious diseases prevent transmission.
Howard County Health Officer Dr. Mara Rossman says the way contact tracing works is local health officials reach out to people who have come in contact with a positive COVID patient to prevent the spread of the virus. The governor also says the state needs a 14-day decrease in hospitalizations and ICU admissions before phase 1 of recovery can begin.
And I'm hopeful that we could then be able to begin our recovery in early May.
Also on Saturday, some good news coming to Baltimore families in need during this pandemic. Celebrity chef Jose Andres began to give out fresh, free meals at Camden Yards to feed hungry residents in vulnerable communities.
We need to make sure that next to the health crisis, that we don't have a humanitarian crisis.
And those meals will be distributed every Saturday at Camden Yards. In Federal Hill, Stetson Miller for WJZ.
We are nearing 1 million cases of coronavirus in the United States, and more than 53,000 people have died.